What's up, everybody? Know we've been doing a lot of gardening, but just in case y'all new to the channel, we got a full-fledged homestead going on. So this morning I picked up some new baby chicks. So we gonna get, this is my new converted brooder. So I'm finna get it set up for the baby. See, I got the heat lamp in there, but it's warm now, so I don't need that. But let me get their bed set up, and then I'm gonna bring them out, and then I'm gonna walk you through how you get them set up. All right, hold tight. This some new stuff I'm gonna use. It's like sand for bedding. I guess it's gonna kind of work like cat litter, because when they poop and go in there, you can just scoop that out instead of, I've been using the wood flakes, the pine shavings. So I'm gonna try this and see how this works. So let me get it in there, and then I'm gonna get the chicks out. We get them set up. All right, that look kind of cool. A little beach sand. Let me get that little water and food set up, and then I'm gonna go get them, and we'll get them in here. All right, these are called black giants. They're a big breed. They get big. So now you gotta dip their beak in water. I'm finna get them set up. I'm gonna try to video this, y'all, so y'all can see it. So dip his beak in water. Then gonna put them out there. And these are buff Brahmas, another of these big breeds. But those, they lay brown eggs, and I think these lay white eggs. But they big breeds, they get big. So let me go ahead and put them in. Same thing, I'm gonna dip them in the water, but I done already showed y'all that, so hold tight. Alright, they're the new chicks, y'all. So this is gonna be my new brooder setup. Things changed on the homestead. Instead of making this a main chicken coop, this is perfect for a brooder, because see, I got the door on there, keep the predators out. It's sealed up nice and tight for predators. And this is how you keep your flock going. So I picked up 10 today, and once they grow out and I add them, that'll be close to about 25. Right, so the plan is, like I say, you want to keep your flock going. So in about a month, these will be big enough where I could put them in a new coop. I have a new coop coming in about a month, and they'll be ready to go out there in a new coop. And then what I'll do is just get me another 10. Back up, Jack. I get me another 10 next month and a half. So that way you keep your flock fresh. You see what I'm saying? Because after 2 years, my oldest chickens over there now, this their second year, they start laying down. They egg production slow down. So that way you keep fresh chickens in rotation. Plus, you might lose 1 or 2 here. They get sick and die or something. So that's how you keep your flock fresh, with production. So that's what we do out here on the Grumpy Homestead. It ain't just gardening. We do critters. These just some of them. We got goats, and we got sheep, pigs. So we got a couple. I'll be getting a couple more pigs too for the year, and we'll be showing y'all that. So all right, catch y'all on the next one.